Hey, what's up? Today I'm back at you from glorious Greece, and on the menu is a beautiful roasted chicken dinner with summer veggies. And I'm talking eggplant, zucchini, artichokes, peas, all done in a beautiful light tomato sauce in the oven. Gonna knock your socks off. So first things first, gonna preheat our oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius, get that off and going. The next thing, all I'm gonna do really is just start working on my veggies. And for this, I'm using a couple of zucchinis that are on the smaller side. And all we're gonna do is just chop them up into stew-sized pieces, maybe a little bit bigger. Not a big deal at all. And for this is one of these meals that is ready in a pinch, because you can use just about anything you want in here in terms of veggies. Like I'm using eggplant. Look, it's what I had in my fridge. It's what I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna take this eggplant and quarter it real carefully, just like that. And again, just start hacking these pieces in here. All right, now that my eggplant is chopped, time to throw in an onion. I'm just gonna take an onion and really coarsely just chop this up as well. In fact, I'm probably gonna cube it up. I don't want these little tiny pieces. I want the flavors to generally just be throughout my dish. So I'm just gonna take this and just cut it up just like that. Very quickly. It's not rocket science. There's nothing to this. I'm going to take a couple of cloves of garlic, and here I love the garlic. Here the garlic is like walnut size. It's amazing. So I'm just going to take some garlic. Let me just peel this off and just start cutting it up in there. It doesn't have to be an exact science. You can use a garlic crusher if you want, or you don't have to. And again, start cutting this up. Everything's sticking to my hands here. And real quick, just do this. I'm gonna take some peas. Frozen peas are good too. I'm gonna take some artichokes. Again, same deal, frozen. Put a few in there. Usually that'll do, half a dozen or so. I'm gonna take a little bit of oregano. About a tablespoon will go in here. So about a teaspoon or so of pepper, whatever you like. A little bit of paprika, and again, use whatever paprika you like is totally fine. You're gonna do a little bit of tomato sauce or crushed tomatoes, and for this I'm probably doing about a cup of crushed tomatoes, and of course a little bit of my Greek extra virgin olive oil will go in there, and of course salt. And you want to go pretty decent on the salt. And all I'm going to do for this is start just mixing everything together the best that you can, so that way it could all get incorporated. And now for the star of the show, our chicken. Our chicken is a 3-pound free-range bird here, locally grown. Look at this, so healthy, nice and fresh. I love it. Throw that on there. And just remember, after handling raw chicken, always wash your hands with soap, no matter what. So, season this puppy up with some salt here. Actually, I'm going to do a little bit of olive oil as well, just to drizzle it all over, just to give it a nice little sheen. Perfect. Take a little bit of salt. It's going to go over this. Perfect. I'm going to take a little dried Greek rosemary. It's going to go over this as well, over my bird lightly. It's going to be an accent for this. A little oregano is going to go in this. Perfect. And you can get a little round just like that, and that's perfect. And also now, I'm just gonna take and squeeze the juice of half the lemon now over my chicken. And the other half, I'm gonna squeeze when it comes out. So you can just even squeeze this if there's extra over over the veggies as well. And this is such a light meal. It's like low carb, it's like super delicious, and it's like fast, well, relatively fast. So now this is gonna go into our 400-degree oven for about an hour and 15 to an hour and a half. You want your chicken more on the well done side, and that way you avoid any issues. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. All right. Here's my chicken. It is absolutely done to perfection. Oh, fantastic, man. This is like, help me, Rhonda. Right out of the oven, all my veggies are done. Oh, I got two forks. All my veggies are done. They're so soft. Everything. Oh, look at this, just melting away. My peas. And look at this. This, my friends, is like all the delicious love juice of the chicken. Oh my God. We didn't add any water to this. We didn't add any liquid. This is just what rendered from our chicken. Look at this. Tell me this chicken isn't done. It literally just falls off the bone. It's so delicious. I'm gonna try a little bit of these, a couple of these peas here. Ooh. Oh my God. Such a delicious flavor. Look at this chicken. Maybe hot as sin, but it's going to be full of flavor. I'll tell you that. Cover your kids' ears. Oh my God. Holy shit. Jeez. Wow. Wow. Definitely one for the books, my friends. That is absolutely crazy good. Crazy good. And in this are all your summer veggies. You got artichokes, you got eggplant, you got zucchini, you got onion, peas. This is all flavor and nutrition. It is so good. The chicken, perfect. Took about an hour and 20 minutes at 400. It was, oh my gosh, that flavor. I'm gonna eat this right after this, guaranteed. So that's it for this episode on my crazy good Greek style roast chicken with summer veggies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys try this. It's super easy to make. Few common ingredients, our guest of honor, and one pan, and you are done. Super delicious, flavorful, and on top of that, it's healthy, it's nutritious. That's how I keep it so tight. So, I can't even say that with a straight face. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Love to see our community grow. Also, check me out online at kensgreektable.com for this recipe and so many others. And until next time, my friends, take care of each other, and I will see you on the next one. See you from Greece.